Hello, everybody. Welcome back. My name is Vineet, and it's my pleasure to introduce to you something extremely exciting, extremely close to my heart, which is the first ever hackathon to be conducted by YByte, the YByte Scratch Hackathon, February 2021. Right now, before I get moving, let me just reiterate the mission, the philosophy on which YByte is founded, which is that forever enjoy programming, enjoy coding, enjoy Scratch, right? This is something we really, really believe in. We make it a part of everything that we do. Talking of what we have done, let's start with briefly with our journey so far. We started in May 2020 with a completely unique model of live online group classes with independent projects. So we teach students from around the world in a group and we give them all a project to do on their own time, right? So which means they do their project based on their imagination. Of course, they use concepts that we have taught in the class, right? Till now, we have had 12 batches of students, which means roughly 250 students coming from approximately 15 countries. Our curriculum is highly structured, totally open, which means anybody in the world with the access to internet can actually access this and learn from it. It's a curriculum which starts from the basics but takes you through advanced concepts in Scratch, right? And what all of this means is that till date we have had nearly 2,500 student projects that we have marked. So every class in our project, in our curriculum, in our methodology ends with a project the students do, and we mark each one of them and provide feedback, right? So this hackathon really is like an extension for this. Uh, we are inviting everybody in the age group of 8 to 15 to join this. If you have been part of our courses, that's good. If you have not been part of our courses, that's fine. You can still come and participate. The whole philosophy is about you imagining, creating, and sharing, right? Now, this is something that we emphasize on. It's your creativity, your imagination, but it's a collaborative open learning that we focus on, that we highlight, and hence imagine, create, and share, right? We give you three themes to choose from. I'll talk about that in a moment. You are free to create whatever you think is the right way to express your story, right? It could be a mix of animations, games, comics, and so on. You can refer to any material out there, but you must do innovative and original work. Now, your work will be judged by an esteemed panel of judges, right? Now, these panel of judges, we are, very proud to announce that these are people who have extremely good experience in the world of software. They come from different backgrounds, from academics, from just being Scratch enthusiasts, and so on. So we are trying to make sure that everybody who submits the projects get an audience with some judges who not only give them great feedback, but also talking to them becomes an experience in itself for all the young participants, right? And finally, we are arranging some extremely exciting prizes, totally to the tune of, let's say, Indian rupees 25,000. Most important prize, in my opinion, of course, is the fact that you participate because, as I say, programming is practice, right? And that's the biggest prize that you can get, right? So you basically do something, you get feedback on that from a panel of judges that we are putting together, and in that process we all basically learn, right? So that's basically about the hackathon. I said there are three themes. We will talk more about this in a separate video, but the three themes really are travel and tourism. So what we want you to do is to think about some place of your own. Some place of your choice, which means maybe it could be your country that you come from. It could be some historical place that you have seen, or it could be some place that you would like others to know about, right? So, or it could be even an imaginary tourist destination, right? But some destination that you want to talk about, showcase, maybe make a animation, make some games to highlight that place. Let the world know about it, right? The next theme is an ideal day at school. Right now, all of our students, all the people who are going to participate in this are going to schools around the world. All of them have a vision of what an ideal day at school would look like. What would they like to learn? How would they like to be taught? Right? And again, this could be from many different viewpoints. But we would like to know what you think is an ideal day at school for you. Right? The third theme would be the world in 2021. Right now, notice this is not 2021, this is 2121, which means 100 years from today, right? 100 years from today, what do you think the world would look like? Right now, we want you to put on a futuristic hat and try to make some bold predictions, convey them through, say, animations, games, comics, all the features that Scratch provides, right? The beautiful tool, the beautiful platform that Scratch is. I think it gives room for everybody to express themselves, right? We will talk about these themes a little later in more detail in a separate video, but importantly right now, the important dates, right? So we are starting registration for this hackathon 26th of January. I'll give you the link for this hackathon in just a moment. We will basically be accepting projects almost through the entire month of February, and after which we'll evaluate through 2 rounds of evaluations or preliminary evaluation, and then those who preliminary evaluation to kind of screen out the better projects, and those who make the second round will get to meet the judges, right? So so this round will eventually lead to the final showcase and results, right? So it's going to be an exciting month of activities, coding, imagining, debugging, presenting, and then finally a showcase. So it's something we are extremely excited about, something that we really want to embark on. Now, I just want to highlight that these dates are somewhat tentative because we are still fine tuning them. However, the important date here is really the registration. So we would like you to register. We would like you to get on board to what's going on so that we can get in touch with you and guide you further, right? Now, how do I register for this? Well, the registration details and links are available at this website, www.ybyte.in /Scratch Hackathon February 2021, right? So I'm also putting the link of this in the description of this video so that you can register, and then, like I said, we will guide you for the further activities, right? So it's going to be an extremely exciting journey for all of us, and I really request you to consider this, consider joining this, and I hope to see you all in the hackathon. Take care. Bye bye. Thank you so much.